Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to order a replacement M&T Bank card. So there are a few ways to do that. So as you can see, the first one is to simply log into the online banking and select order a replacement card from the services menu. So you're gonna have to go to their official website and then simply go to menu and log in into your account, and then you're gonna have to simply go, as I said earlier, to the services menu, and then there you're gonna have this option to order a replacement card. Now another way is to simply log in to the M&T mobile app. So you can find this app on App Store and Google Play, and basically again from select card services from the menu and select order a replacement card, or you can simply call them at this number and tell them, hey, I want a new card, or you can simply visit your local branch, and basically that's how you can order a replacement card. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.